What's up, guys? It's Mike and Dixon again. This is D-Day. We are doing the turbocharge install right now on our 1993 Honda Civic. Try to get it started and running to get you some times and just to see how what time slips we can get, quarter mile times. Hopefully we can get it done within a couple of hours. We'll let you know how it goes. What's up, guys? We are setting record times right now. Dixon is getting the mock-up for the turbo. Hopefully it's clocked right. We are about, I think literally we're about like 35 minutes in. We stripped everything, AC, radiator. We got a new radiator coming in. We are getting rocking and rolling right now. So it is a lot quicker because we don't need a lot, but this is a miracle worker right here. How you doing, Dix?
Coming along.
You know, it doesn't matter. Be careful. Heating up. Oops. Forgot some of this stuff is plastic. Okay, running into an obstacle.
I'm not sure if it's just a blonde moment or not, but
Okay.
downpipe's supposed to face this way. I've already clocked everything as, like, it doesn't matter if I rotate or not, I can't even, it's just going to interfere with the bell housing. So.
There's like no possible way that thing's freaking.
I'm not sure, I can't see a possible way. Because you can't flip anything.
Can't flip nothing, huh?
So we've already clocked this. The clocking is not the issue.
Am
Am I right? I mean, do you see any other way? I could literally just be having a blonde moment right now. I can't. So if you do it this way, though, which seems more ideal, because then I have the oil feed is cleared of everything. Right now, if I dump it in here, even if it did fit, the oil feed is kind of, yeah, there's just no way.
No way.
So I'm not sure. We might not be able to use the down tube with this turbo. I could be wrong. Let me look at the.
Look at photos. Let's look at the internet. run into some complications with intercooler piping. Seems like the piping is insufficient. That's how everything is rolling. We believe this one goes here.
Right.
But we have a little blow-off thing that's a blow-off valve pertaining to the couplers. So where does it go? You know what I mean? Usually, universally, it should be right here.
Well, I think what this is it's just a generic kit without an intercooler. I mean, blow-off valve. And I mean, we'll just have to splice it right here. But this kit's also mostly insufficient for where the intercooler mounts.
We have no idea where that nipple goes.
Yeah, I mean, it could go here. We can make it go wherever we want, but there's not enough tubing supplied by this kit to complete the a closed system. So we're short some bends, short some tubes. We also have the wrong downpipe, so we're gonna have to hack this up.
Hacksaw Jim Duggan, baby.
And make this work with this turbo kit. So some snags. The turbo kit went on together fairly well, or the turbo. The manifold fits really well. The wastegate looks like it's most likely going to hit the hood.
Hit that hood.
I may be really close, but it looks like it's going to hit the hood.
Probably. Looks like it. Looks like it's going to hit that hood.
We're missing the oil drain for the turbo. It's not a big deal, but it's missing. What else do we have? I think that's it so far. So, bad downpipe, not a complete intercooler kit. The intercooler does not come with mounting tabs, more so just mounting, well, I guess mounting tabs that you have to drill. And then you gotta find some
somewhere to hook it up, right?
some metal tabs to bend and hook this up. But not some minor fabrication, not quite a kit for the exact car, but and then we're gonna have to make a dump tube for the wastegate.
Yep.
It comes with the flanges, but no tube.
No tubes.
Could always just dump it right here. But anyways,
That's it. That's where we're at.
the kit is starting to show its flaws.
Its flaws. Well, we're about an hour and 45 minutes in, so we are rolling in all cylinders. Flying.
All right.